Hi everyone, we are going to share with you our one of our learning tools, digital learning tools, and it is HAPARA, Making Learning Visible by Sunny Asinati, Emeleni and Henamore, #Mangere.
The price is $3 per student, and HAPARA is accessible on Google, Safari, and Firefox.
Age limit, usability for teachers, students, and whānau. So there's no age limit. Google accounts protection, security, simple to set up classroom pages and workspace, can organize learning experiences, resources, web pages, videos, article, create deadlines for student work, and accessible from any browser devices connected to the internet.
So what can you do with HAPARA, and which blended learning models would be the best fit with this tool? HAPARA best fit with the rotation model. It provides greater visibility and access into learners' work, and it provides easy sharing, and it saves time. It also provides visibility into what students are working on, so you can provide instant feedback on their work. Provides easy differentiation and personalization of digital assignments with HAPARA Workspace.
Can manage a range of classes. You can see here we've set up one that we've trialed this year for our literature circle.
This is a typical screenshot of a HAPARA workspace. It is organized in such a way that we have these columns. Each column has a particular function. In this case, we have the goals for the unit or the set of work that children are assigned. We have a list of resources that we can link to this page as well, whether it be videos, articles, and so on. The next column here, evidence. This is for student task work. So they can actually come to this section here and complete worksheets, tasks, forms, and here we can monitor student performance or student work or lack thereof and provide instant feedback. And here we have assessment and self-assessment tools which students are able to use and self-assess their own work.
In HAPARA, we also encourage self-monitoring and time management. So we have set up tasks for students, and they need to provide individual evidence. Tasks are given to them, and also teachers can monitor who has handed in their work on time and the due date.
Other awesome things you can consider about HAPARA is that you are able to monitor each student and how they use the internet. You can see here each student has got a folder, and on that folder will show a history of what website they've been able to use.
Including real-time information as well. You can see the website that they're actually looking at and at the present time also.
So we highly recommend HAPARA. So now go bother your boss to get it and join the HAPARA learning community.
Hooray!
Thank you.